Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate your credit card on the Halifax Bank account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in halifax.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Halifax website. Now, first of all, you can click on the sign in button at the top right corner to proceed with logging into your account by using your credentials. But you can also proceed with activating your credit card by simply clicking on the menu icon at the top left corner, and then you can hover over to borrowing, within which you will find the credit card option. Go ahead and click on it and you will be taken to the credit card page. Now if you look at the top section, you will find the activate your card option. Go ahead and click on it and you will be given the instructions that you can follow in order to activate your card. You can either use the mobile banking app and then start activating your credit card, or you can also use the online form. Click on whichever option is suitable for you, and if you use the online form, you will find the activate your credit card option. Click on this option and you will be asked to enter your credit card details. Start with entering your credit card number followed by your date of birth. After entering your date of birth, enter the expiration date of your credit card and then click on the activate button. Now as soon as you click on activate, the website will verify your information, and if all of the information is correct, then your card will be activated immediately and you can now start using this card in order to make various different payments. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to activate your card on the Halifax Bank website. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.